Have you ever stopped to really think about what makes up your skin? It's the largest organ on your body, a complex and fascinating structure. But what if I told you that what you see with the naked eye is only a tiny fraction of the story? Today, we're going to dive deep into the microscopic world and take a look at human skin under the microscope. Prepare to have your perception of your own skin completely transformed. First, let's talk about the epidermis, the outermost layer. This is the part we can see and touch. Under the microscope, the epidermis reveals itself to be a multi-layered marvel. We see dead skin cells, constantly shedding like tiny, flattened scales. These are the remnants of the cells that have traveled to the surface, protecting the layers beneath. Nestled in between, we can see melanocytes, cells that produce melanin, the pigment responsible for your skin color. The microscope unveils a mosaic of cells, each with its unique shape and function, all working together to protect you. Moving deeper, we encounter the dermis. This layer is a bustling hub of activity. Here we find collagen and elastin fibers, which provide structure and elasticity. Under the microscope, these fibers look like a network of interwoven threads, giving your skin its strength and flexibility. We also see blood vessels, looking like winding rivers, carrying nutrients and oxygen to nourish the skin cells. Nerves are also visible, appearing as delicate strands, relaying sensations of touch, temperature, and pain. It's a complex, dynamic environment, a constant interplay of biological processes. Then there are the hair follicles and sweat glands. Under the microscope, hair follicles look like tiny pockets, each housing a hair shaft. The sebaceous glands, which produce oil, are also visible, releasing sebum to keep the skin moisturized. Sweat glands appear as coiled tubes, secreting sweat to regulate body temperature. These structures, invisible to the naked eye, are essential for skin health and function. The microscopic world of human skin is a universe unto itself. It's a world of constant renewal, defense, and interaction. This isn't just about what your skin looks like. It's about appreciating the incredible complexity and resilience of this vital organ. The next time you look at your skin, remember the microscopic world beneath the surface. You'll never see it the same way again.